We are now home. It is now already 2:17. Inigo forget this sunglass. Yeah, I'm going to have a coffee. This is going to be my second coffee. Oh, I finally opened this. Yeah, I have been trying to open this and I can't open. Yeah, it is a long time, maybe more than a year already. Yeah, so I'm going to throw it. Yeah, I have been trying to open this for a long time, several times. I'm also cooking the rice because I will be eating rice again later this afternoon or maybe tonight. Yeah, I just uploaded that video. I had my coffee finished and now I am going to eat. The time now is 3:20. I have the rice cooked, but and I have this. I cooked it last night. I didn't able to show you because I just cook it quick. I just put everything in here. I just put water. I just put the tomato and the leftover chicken and macaroni pasta, some seasoning, and it's ready. It's delicious. I may be going to add some egg to make it a little more because this one is already very less. Oil. Yo, good morning guys. We're going to work now. My duty today is 6 o'clock and I left the house at already 5:41. It's alright because my trip is just 10 to 15 minutes. I won't be late. So basically that's inside there. That is where I usually go through whenever I'm going back home, coming from work. Inside there is a shared way, a walkway, a shared way, and also the beach is on the other side. I am usually the first person to arrive in the kitchen, most of the time, and the other guys, they arrive like 5 minutes before 6 o'clock. I arrived usually 10 or 15 minutes earlier. Yo, good afternoon guys. We are going home now. I finished at 2 o'clock. Not very busy today, just okay. Actually we did 189, but it was very smooth because the guests, they come in different time, not all together, so we are able to serve nicely. Oh, looks like we are not able to do the pull-ups, the chin up, because there are people in front of the bar. It's okay, I'll do some pull-ups even if there are people in there. Oh, actually what I am regularly doing here is not pull-ups, it's actually chin up. But I don't know, it is making me confused because look at this. In here they called it chin up. The hand is on top of the bar, and I am saying pull-ups when my hand is below the bar like this. We do it anyway. Yeah, that's it. We are going now. There's a guy in there. Yeah, he's walking. I think it's his first time I saw that guy, and so I go slow because he's in the front, and then I greet him, and then he said to me, "Hey, make sure you ring the bell when you are passing." So he said like that, and I said, yeah, I usually do. Yeah, and then we had a little conversation because I was going slow. I was running slow. So we had a little conversation. Yeah, I said to him that, yeah, I usually do that. I usually ring the bell, but I sometimes go slow and try to, yeah, greet the person. Yeah, that's what I said. And he thinks I am Thai, but yeah, I'm a Filipino, I said. And this is how it is here today. You see, it's a low tide, and if you look in that area, there are so many it's almost like a Bermuda grass. Yeah, that's the under the water. Yeah, it's like a big playground at the moment. The water very far from on that side. This is how it is in Albura Marina. There are many people there coming from the dolphin watch from the ferry. And also in there are many people in there. Oh, it is raining now. We need to get to the covered area, that one. Yeah, the color of the sky is blinding me. I can't really open my eyes properly. You see, it's dark in there, and in there is blinding. Yeah, this rain is not going to be strong. It will be just like this. But on the side, look at that, it's getting heavy. And you know the smell? Yeah, the smell of the ground. Oh, that dog is running. Oh, he's also hiding from the rain. There are, yeah, it is heavy from that side.
Yeah, thank you. No, he knows not to go on the road. We've been through this. We've been through this a lot.
The wind is strong. You see from the water, yeah, there are some kind of movements going on, layering on the water. Yeah, the rain has stopped, and yeah, again there are many people around here, still blinding the sky. Okay, we are going home now, but we maybe are going to the grocery first. We're just going to buy something, I don't know yet. I actually don't have much space on my backpack, so we're just going to get something really important. I mean something that I really need. We're going to take one of these. This is toasted muesli, and it's just $5. Oh, yesterday I was cravings for ice cream. Yeah, I was about to go out yesterday around 7 o'clock after the news, but yeah, it's good that I didn't go. We're looking for the ice cream with the caramel, salted caramel. I tasted that and it's good. Oh, we're going to have this one. This $5, 25% discount. Dairy Free sea salt caramel. Looks delicious. I don't know how many inside. Just 3. I am tempted to take this one. Yeah, this is just $3. Actually, we take this one instead of this Magnum. So we put this back. Oh, we take it also. So we have the 2 ice cream. It's all right. I am thinking of taking that hand wash, but I don't have enough space in my backpack. Okay, we are home. Yeah, it's already 4 o'clock. 2 hours that I am outside after my duty. We're going to reheat this rice. But I don't know what I am going to eat. We're just going to fry this egg and tomato.